Now that you've got a super interesting program like I have here, you should find out how to get to the executable file so that you can give it to other people, or most importantly, upload it to Moodle and get a grade. All right, two things that you want to do before you go looking for the executable file. First, you want to go up to File and make sure you hit Save All to save all of the resources that go along with your program. And the second thing you want to do is hit the Start button right here, because that will build your project and create the exe file. If you go looking and you don't have an exe file, or if you don't have a folder for the exe file, you want to make sure that you've done these two steps. I'm going to hit that, Start. There's my running program. Let's shut it back down. All right, now let's go looking for the exe file. I'm going to use the File Explorer. I've got an icon down here. If you don't, you can just type File Explorer. Oh, one more thing that we need to look at before we can do this. Where should we look? Okay, I'm going to go back to the project, and in the Solution Explorer, you can see the name of your project. Mine says Hello World, and then it's got these properties down here. I'm going to drag this over so I can see the whole thing. And it says Project Folder. That's where we need to go. C users Spike AC source repos Hello World, Hello World. So that's what I'm going to look for in the File Explorer. I'm going to go down to the C drive. Scroll up to users Spike AC source. Now let me see, can I pin? I'm going to pin this to quick access because I'm going to want to be able to get back here later. All right, so I'm there. I'm going in here. All right, Hello World's the one we're looking for. And we want to go into the second Hello World directory and then into the bin directory for binaries. And you're going to find your file, the file to upload, in the debug directory. Oh boy, here we go. We've got two files named Hello World. Which one do I want? I've got another one that says exe. How am I going to tell them apart? Well, the first thing you should look at is the type of the file. You're going to want to upload an application file. So that's one giveaway. But let me show you an additional thing that you can do, a change that you can make to the computer's configuration that can help you tell files apart even more easily. So I'm going to go to View, click on Options, and click on View again, the View tab. Scroll down a little bit, and there's this little box that says Hide extensions for known file types. I'm going to uncheck that because I want to know what the extensions for my files are, because if I get into a situation like we just saw where two files share the same name and they only differ by the extension gets very important very quickly. I'm going to click Apply and OK. And then we can go back and see, all right, here we are, helloworld.exe. You want just, when you upload it, you want just plain helloworld.exe or your project name.exe. There may be other things like execonfig or vshost. Ignore those files, upload the plain old exe, and everything will be wonderful. Thank you.